So now is the time for you to start getting new skills, learning new things, because this economic climate is crazy, I will admit. But if you do the right things now, then you can set yourself up to start that business or to go after your dreams. But you got to have the right things in place first. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Miss La and I'm a licensed cosmetologist, and on this channel I talk about things in regards to beauty, business, and motivation. So if that's something that you're interested in, then please subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell for notifications. Now let's jump into today's video. So right now there is a lot going on in the financial space with people's finances, people just surviving, things like that. But I don't know about any of you, but I personally am like just tired of it all. So I try to limit like the things that I watch, the things that I hear every day about it, because I can only control what I can control. And I'm a firm believer that complaining about it or just sitting around looking at it happen instead of doing something about it is one of the worst things you can do. So I personally myself have decided to, if my income is not at where it needs to be, I've decided to come up to where my finances need to be so I can do the things I want and afford the things I need to afford, because you can only work so many hours in a day. Like I've worked 2, 3 jobs at a time before, and that just wears on your body, that wears on you mentally. So I know that that's not something that I wanted to do. So I have just made conscious decisions, strategic decisions to increase my income, increase my skill set. So I'm bringing more to the market, which in turns puts more money into my pocket. So even though like you may just be surviving, trust me, I get it. I come from that spot. I was below poverty for many, many years raising kids. So I get that. But on the flip side of that, I used every free tool, every community resource, anything that was, to get to the next level, because you literally have to do that. So don't think that I'm talking to you and it's just, oh, well, she's done this, she's done that, and she has this and she has that. No, it literally has not been like that for a large part of my life. So my goal now is to learn new things, develop my skill set. So like I said, when you learn more, you bring more to the marketplace. And when people know you have that skill set, they should be paying you for that skill set or that product, whatever it is. So now is the time to do that. So in this video, I want to talk about some key things that you can do right now that will set you up for success, because we are coming out of this. I don't care what the financial picture says. I don't care what these YouTubers say, because you got to watch how much YouTube you listen to and certain people, because some of these people in the financial space are telling you things that are like scaring you. It's almost like a fear tactic. So you have to develop your train of thoughts and know what you want and know how to get there. So in this video, I'm going to give you a couple of key points that has worked for me that I want to share for you. So investing in learning. You are your biggest investment. I don't care whether you're on YouTube University or you're taking advantage of free courses, whatever it is that works for you right now, invest in yourself. I know that some of these courses like are just mind-boggling, the prices that they're charging for them. I generally stay away from them unless it's like in the service space. Like I paid good money to learn body contouring. That was different. That's a service, that's hands-on, so that's different. But some of these courses, thousands and thousands and thousands of dollars, which being a single parent, which I know about because I come from that space, that's hard to do. So what you want to do is find someone that aligns with your goals, what you're trying to do, and kind of comes from where you are, because they're generally going to tell you things from experience. And from that, invest, learn, pay attention, take notes. If it's free, make it work for you. I've done it plenty of times, but the goal is to invest in yourself. And when you can, when you get the money, if start taking advantage of paid courses, because it is true, when you take a paid course, they're going to tell you things that maybe a free course will not, and they're going to give you a lot of behind the scenes. But I'm not saying go out and spend money that you don't have. Spend what's in your budget and build from there. What I did was I started with a lot of free things. I took my notes, put my notes together, made it work for me. Then as I got more money, then I started investing in low ticket courses, because that's what my budget said. If your budget doesn't say I have 5,000 to spend on a course, then don't try to do that. Don't feel like you can't reach your goals, because you certainly can, because I did it. Do what's in your budget and build from that. The goal is to get the knowledge that maybe free cannot all the time get you, and for you to implement. Now, don't have shiny object syndrome for everything. You want to take a course, implement it, and do the work, because I know so many people, I've been notorious of it as well, taking all these courses but not implementing what actually needs to happen. You need to learn from it, implement, and progress. That is the whole goal. Whether you're paying for the course or you're getting the knowledge for free, that is just what you want to do. You want to invest in yourself, because you are your biggest investment, and learning can take you so far. If you are getting value so far from this video, then please be sure to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I upload new content, to keep you motivated and for you to go after your goals and launch that business. No matter what the product or the service is that you want to bring to market, you need to be sure that it is something that, one, you are passionate about, two, that you know at least the basics about, if not how it works, like just from A to Z, and then also something that brings value and is in demand to whoever your target audience is. Now, I have done this before, like cleaning. Let's say, for instance, like I used to have a commercial cleaning franchise, and that was not something that I was like passionate about, but it was quick money. It literally was. Like I went from making this amount of money to being high, like almost 100,000, very, very easy. But did I like it? Absolutely not. I hated it, hated it, hated it. Even when I had people helping me, I still hated it, but it was a moneymaker. That was a lesson learned, that when you jump into something that's just going to make money, it's really hard for you to market it. It's really hard for you to communicate with whoever your target market is, because you're not passionate and sometimes you may not know enough. My advice to you, because I follow this now with my beauty space and my lash business and my digital products, I'm bringing to market things that work for me, things that I use, things that I'm passionate about, things that I know about. You have a tendency when you do that, like being an entrepreneurial, being an entrepreneur and being in this space can like sometimes be so draining. But I feel like because I'm passionate about lashes, about the beauty space, that it makes it easier for me to keep going. So when I'm working on bringing something, a digital product to market, or I'm trying to reach this person, or I'm trying to bring in clients, it makes it easier because I'm passionate about it. So pick something. I get it. You may need the money. I get that. But trust me, it's only going to satisfy you for so long before you just start feeling like, ugh, I just don't want to do this anymore. You need to pick something that, like I said, is going to be passionate about, something that you know about, something that you've had your hands in so you can give real life experience to whoever your client is, and then also something that adds value and then is in demand. Like, I'm a firm believer that sometimes people don't know what they need until they see it, like you bring it to market. So even if it's not like a high demand, just some type of interest. Because, like I said, sometimes people don't know what they know until they see it. But the main thing is pick something that you're passionate about. Don't just do something for a money grab. If you need the money, I get it, do it. But launching a business is tough enough. You need to have the wherewithal and the stamina to keep going and be consistent every day. And it makes it much easier if you pick a product that you like, that serves a purpose for your client or solves a problem for them, and also is in demand. The one thing I think that social media and just people in general have gotten it twisted, they sometimes make being an entrepreneur, starting a business, they glamorize it. They make it look a certain way. And I'm here to tell you, it absolutely is not that way. When I mean this struggle is real, when I first opened my lash studio, I would sit in this space and I would literally cry because I didn't have enough clients. Like, I had clients, but they were not my ideal clients. Like, just give you a backstory. I did Groupon when I first opened this beauty space. And if you have ever done Groupon, you have to have a system in place for Groupon to work. Now, it did work for me, and some of my Groupon clients still come to me, but still, that was a hard thing. And what I did was I had taken a buyout from a job that I was at. So I was in here full time. And when I mean that was hard, that was hard. I was behind on the rent. Luckily, that worked itself out. I didn't have enough clients coming in. That worked itself out. And then eventually, I did have to go back into the workforce. And that felt like defeat to me, but it was not. It gave me the courage. It made me figure out what was wrong with my business and how I needed to fix it. And when you are a business owner, you have to be ready for that. Like, I get it. Some people just say, just take the leap. Just go out there, take the leap. It'll all work itself out. But girl, listen, you have to be ready for that, because mentally that is a lot. Like, it is a lot. So you need to have resilience. You need to be consistent. You need to have determination, all those things. Because just saying, hey, I'm going to start a business, you need to know what comes with that. Because those days, and they will come, don't think that they will not. You'll have those days where you want to give up, you want to quit, you want to go get a regular job, and you never ever want to see your business again. Now, granted, I did that, but I never left my business. I literally took and only interviewed for jobs that worked around my business. If it didn't work around my business, then I can't do it. I'm sorry, I can't, because I'm not going to be giving you the rest of my time here. I'm just here because my bills need to be paid. Okay? My I need to invest in my business. Okay? I need to invest in learning more, so that once I knew what I needed, then it was easy for me to pick a job that helped me to accomplish those goals. So, yes, I am still working a job, but I'm still showing up for my business. I am still actively doing something in my business to grow it. I am still staying in the frame of mind of being determined to make my business grow. And I see the change. Like, I see the change from when I started last year and put these goals into place. Now, here we are almost going into another year, and my business has progressed so much. But you have to be ready for that. Don't just think that you're going to start a business and the clients are going to come, because they are not. Don't think that just posting on social media, clients are going to book with you. They will not. Like, they literally will not. A large following does not equal dollars in your pocket. It literally does not. So just get that in your head right now. But as long as you know that I have to be consistent and I have to show up, even if I have to work a job, my business is still important. Then lay that framework ahead of time and carve out your time to work on your business every single day. Do something. Be determined. Be resilient. Be consistent. And I guarantee you, you will see progress. If you're like me and you are a single parent trying to just survive every day, I get it. And I know what your struggles are, because I've had every single struggle. But now is the time for you to make a move, for you to do something. If you research and you ask the right questions, you can find the answers that you need to move your life into something different. Trust me, if I can do it, raising 6 kids, living below poverty, being on the bus, walking to where I had to go, you absolutely can do it. And I want to support you. So, in the comments, let me know, what is the business you want to start? What is the goal that you have? You don't have to wait to the new year. Start right now. Let me know. Maybe there's some words of wisdom I can give you, some resource tool that I can give you. Let me know in the comments, what is in your heart? What business do you want to do? Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Also, hit the bell for notifications so you can find out when I post new content. I am excited for your journey. I want to support you in your journey. And my goal is to put out content that will help you to do that. I do have some freebies in the description box. You can go ahead and download those, because I'm sure if I have used them to help myself, you can use them for free to help yourself as well. Have a great day. Bye.